Hello students, welcome back to the Speedo Education YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about the water cycle, also known as nature's endless journey of water. Water is constantly moving around our planet, making life possible for all living things. Let's begin and understand how this amazing process works. Understanding the water cycle. The water cycle is the natural process by which water continuously moves between the Earth's surface and the atmosphere. It is a method of continuous circulation of water on the Earth. This cycle has been occurring for millions of years and ensures that water is constantly recycled. So, why is the water cycle important? The water cycle is very important because it provides fresh water for drinking, agriculture, and daily activities. It supports plants, animals, and human life. It also helps regulate weather patterns and maintain the balance of nature. Without the water cycle, life on Earth would not be possible. So next is the stages of the water cycle. The water cycle consists of four main stages: evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and collection. During evaporation, water changes into water vapor due to the sun's heat. During condensation, water vapor cools and forms clouds. The remaining stages are precipitation and collection, which together are known as the return phase of the water cycle. The return phase of the water cycle. The return phase includes precipitation and collection. Precipitation occurs when clouds become heavy and water falls back to the earth as rain, snow, sleet or hail. After falling to the ground, the water collects in rivers, lakes, oceans and underground sources. This process is called collection or accumulation. From here, the cycle starts again. Next we have uses of water. Water is essential for life and has many uses. We use water for drinking, cooking, bathing, cleaning, farming, generating electricity, transportation and industrial purposes. It also supports aquatic life and help maintain healthy ecosystems. Next we have some fun facts about water. Here are some interesting facts about water. Only about 3% of Earth's water is fresh water. The human body is made up of about 60% water. Water can exist in three forms: solid, liquid and gas. Clouds are made of millions of tiny water droplets. So, now we have a conclusion. The water cycle is a continuous natural process that recycles water and keeps our planet alive. It plays a vital role in supporting life, maintaining ecosystem and ensuring a constant supply of fresh water. So, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed learning about the water cycle. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more educational content. See you in the next video. Bye bye.